us in this process, but I'm using a ruler. You don't need this piece. Then unfold the paper. Then do the same as this paper. We don't need this piece. Then unfold it. Then fold these papers at the top. Then we need to cut this paper. We need this piece for later. Then do the same cut in this piece. Later, then fold this piece at the top. Unfold it and fold it. Fold this at the right and the left. Then fold it at the right and then we need to make 4 of these. Then take a pink one of these. This paper is kind of bad paper. You can use a nicer paper than this. This is put as this is, then fold it, and this is put as this is, like this, and this is put as this is. Then have made a normal ninja star, but it's not cool enough. So flip it and take a pink paper, and then we need to fold this paper and put it at this little flap. The blue piece. Then this is should touch this edge. This is should touch this edge. Then fold it. This is should touch this edge. Then fold it. And we need to fold it. And place this and this little. Then it's done. A transforming ninja star. Then to transform it, you just need to flatten this little bit. Then it looks like a normal ninja star. Then if you pull this corner,